Welcome to Piiwebtech. Social media is the most vital marketing channel for businesses of all sizes. A well-optimized and regularized social media marketing strategy always pays off as a great source of business building and increased brand image. Here in Piiwebtech, our professionals research and customize well-weaved social media marketing strategies for your business growth. Here's the steps to our social media marketing strategy. Step 1. Competitor research. Step 2. Suggest right social network account like Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, Twitter, YouTube. Step 3. Ad creation. Step 4. Banners and posters for ads. Step 5. Video ads. Step 6. Photo ads. Step 7. Other graphics for ads. Step 8. Content for ads. Step 9. Keyword analysis for campaign. Step 10. Target relevant audience for campaign. Step 11. B2B campaign. Step 12. B2C campaign. Step 13. Responsive ads. Step 14. Low budget high result. Step 15. Lead generation campaign. Step 16. Sales generation campaign. Step 17. Brand awareness campaign. Step 18. Store visit. Step 19. Traffic generation campaign. Step 20. Remarketing ads. Step 21. Ads according to demographic, geolocation, interest, behavior and target audience. Hope I could explain our strategy of effective social media marketing. Thanks for your time and watching the video. Please submit your inquiry, and one of our experts will speak to you soon.